Place your orders anytime, anywhere by registering an account at nobelbiocare.com. You can create your own individual catalog and save time ordering frequently used products with our quick order function. In addition, you can pay your invoices and book educational trainings and courses all through your online account. Visit store.nobelbiocare, making sure you are in your home country, and click on Register at the top of the page. If you are new to Nobel Biocare, please contact us directly by filling out our Become a Customer form. We will then follow up with you to get your license number and national provider identification number to establish your account. If you are an existing customer and don't yet have an account, click Create an Online Account. Fill out your customer number, zip code, and email address, which needs to match our information on file. You can find this information on a past invoice. Type in your name, create a password, and then agree to our terms and conditions to register your account. You will then be emailed a confirmation that you will need to respond to in order to validate your email. Once that is complete, you will have full access to the online store. If you have any issues, please contact our customer service department during our operating hours, and we would be pleased to get you set up and ready to go. Thanks for watching this quick tip about the Nobel Biocare online store.